In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Man nature, he can't raise same time two legs. If he raise right leg, he can't raise second leg. He have to be jump. Suppose if he says, no, I can jump, I can't raise two legs same time. So this is the weakness. Man cannot raise same time two legs. So our Hazrat Ali companion, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, one guy, non-believer, came and he said, my Lord is man. So that time he says, okay, your Lord is a man and he have lot of weakness. Same time he can't raise two legs and he raise right leg and he can't raise second leg. He have to be jump. He explained very simple way. But the point is, if you say Jesus can do everything, this is my weird and maybe you think I'm crazy like. Jesus was in this earth, he didn't produce any kid in his body. But the point is, Almighty God Allah have Adam in this earth. Adam body, he take out Eve, Almighty God. So same body, Jesus also. He can't produce any kid. And I told, he come from mother private part and he need help. That's why he was 9 months in his mother belly. And you can see man such a weak. Sometimes he have pain in two legs and two hands. Sometimes a heart attack. Sometimes diarrhea. Sometimes urine comes so fast. Even he can't go with women. He's not a man. He's a gay, and he have to go with male and male. But two males, they don't have power to. That's why they can't produce kids. Same thing, lesbians also, they can't produce kids, and lesbian women can't fuck man. This weird, I know. Stupid question like, because she don't have penis. And they said she's a Devi. She can do everything. No, she can't do. She can't do to fuck man, and man, he's not pregnant. This really awkward like, weird like, and nasty, nappy, dirty. But the point is, man, he's not a completely powerful. And man have soul. God no need soul. These gods all soul with came. Ram, he have soul like, that's why he died and they born him in Banaras. And if you say Jesus came, and where is he now? Allah raised him. Only Allah raised him. Otherwise, Christians, according to Christians, believe he died for 3 days like he's not wake up like. For sin, they says. He died for our sin. For what? Which sin? For only Christians? And Christians, all groups, they not agree. Jewish not agree, Muslims not agree, Because Muslim believe Jesus is a prophet. Like, we not agree with this, topic. He died for our sin. We not agree with that. Jewish, they reject him. So in between three Abraham faith guys, they not agree with Jesus died. Like, suppose if you say, no, Jesus died our sin. So he have soul. Like, man have soul only. God don't have soul. God is eternal. Allahu Akbar.